Hey everyone, it's Dr. Ericka here from Zone LLC, and it's time for this week's Development Gem. It is 40 of 67, and it's called Dealing with Paradox. Well, first of all, we have to know what paradox means. The definition of paradox is a statement or proposition that seems self-contradictory. You've heard sentences like less is more or this statement is false. It sounds like they don't go together. It sounds like an oxymoron even. You may have heard it say that way. And when you're having to deal with people or situations that are seen paradoxical, that might be something that is challenging. People who are skilled at this, they act sometimes ways that are contradictory. You also hear it in the workplace as called code switching. Code switching is not always a bad thing depending on you and your personality and how you operate, because I know they say you can take your whole self into the workplace. Don't trust that. That's Ericka's opinion right there. But a person who is skilled at this is very flexible and adaptable when managing or facing tough calls. They combine seemingly opposite situations compassionately and tough. They can act differently depending on the situation. You heard that you have direct reports. You can't treat them all equal, but you can treat them all fairly. Everybody is not the same. So sometimes it may seem as if you're operating differently in different situations or in similar situations, but in reality the situations are not the same. So being able to deal with changing situations that seem like on the surface that they're the same is a skill set that you need to have if you're in the workplace or dealing with customers. However, if anything I said makes you cringe or feel uncomfortable because you like everything to be in neat little boxes, you are not very flexible, you can't shift gears very quickly, then you, my friend, might need to work on this skill set, because it is something that you definitely have to deal with. So if you want to talk about this or deal with this further, give us a call at Zone LLC, and we'll be happy to dive deeper and find out why you may be dealing with paradoxical in an inappropriate way. Talk to you later.